Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, now crude is trading below a strong resistance. You can say 77, now trading at a level of $70.47. Keep that in mind that it is near to strong support at a level of $68, and chances are very high that if the price keep below this level, see now it has, if you look at this particular trend, it has already touched a level of around $68.7. okay, and chances was very high that if the price keep moving below this particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of 68.10, and this level we can see a bounce back can come or a further fall we can see, because this is a very strong support. okay, as soon as it started moving below this particular level, a further fall we can see. Now there are two patterns of forming that you have to understand here. See, if the price, there is a continuous downfall we have seen after making a high from $94.91, this particular high. So if the till the time the price is not moving above a level of $74.75, we will not see a further upside movement. okay, and once started moving above 74.75 or started sustaining above $77, chances will be high that we can see it can go towards 80 and then to a level of 83.5. and if the price started sustaining over 83.5, a further upside movement we can see towards 85 and then a further high, because 85 is a strong resistance, so chances are moving a further upside we can see. Now towards the downside we can see this pattern is forming, opposite U pattern is forming, and chances are very high that we can see if the price started falling below this particular level, a level of around 68.7, a probability of touching 68 we can see, and once started moving below 68, a further downfall we can see. okay, so before I explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I given in the description, you can join that too. See, since it has made a high from 94, there is a continuous downfall and chances are high that it can go further low, because there is a clear pattern is forming and chances of going further down we can see. But if it started sustaining above a level of $77, a further upside movement we can see, or if it goes below a level of 68, a further fall we can see. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, there are chances that it will not sustain, and then a probability of going towards a level of 68.7 is there. okay, and once the price started falling below that particular level, $68, chances of touching a level of $68 is there. After moving this level we can see a level of $68. okay, and once the price started falling below a level of $68, then we can see it will go towards a level of 66.12. okay, and if the price started falling 66.12, chances of touching a level of 64.17 is there. okay, and once the price started falling below 64.17, we will see it will go further down, and yes, a probability of going towards 62.28 is there. okay, and once the price started falling below 62.28, a further fall we can see towards a level of $61.2. again I repeat, if the price started falling at a level of 70.70, chances of touching a level of 68.7 is there. okay, and if it started moving below this level, there is a clear pattern forming and chances of touching a level of $68 we can see. Once the price started falling $68.7, we will see a level of 68, and once started moving below that level, then we can see a level of 66.12, and from there a probability of going towards 64.17. once the price fall below 64.17, chances of touching a level of 62.28 we can see, and from there a level of $61.2. okay, and if started falling below $61.2, a probability of further downfall we can see, and then it will go below a level of 60, and then it can touch a level of $57.72. okay, and if the price started moving below this particular level, a further downfall we can see. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Now you have to understand something, okay, that a swing can form, or market is uncertain. See, if you look at this volatility also, there is good amount of volatility in the market we have seen, so you have to set your SL as per that, and quantity. okay, see, suppose the market is volatile like this and you have set your SL here very small, then your SL will hit rather than hitting your target. So you have to understand that. Okay, so now always try to see when the volatility is high, always try to reduce your quantity to half or 1/4 and increase your SL and target by twice, so that your target should be hit rather than hitting your SL. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose it form a swing this level, then we can see it will go towards a level of around $72.34. Why I'm telling you all these supports and resistance, because these are the level where a bounce back can come, or it moves upside or downside. These are the profit booking points where most of the trail profits or profit booking comes. So you can trail at these levels, or you can book your profit at these levels. Suppose if the price sustain, then we can see a level of $72.34, and started going out of that level, we will see a level of $74.86. $74.86 is already being tested here, so chances of touching a level of $77 we can see. If the price sustain above a level of 74.86, we will see a level of $77, and if started going above that particular level, we will see it will go towards a level of $81.5. Okay, and once the price started sustaining over 81.5, chances of touching a further upside movement we can see, and then a probability of going towards a level of $83.65. Okay, and if the price started going above that particular level, chances of touching a level of $85.1 is there. Okay, keep that in mind. If started sustaining over $83.65, chances of touching a level of $85 is there. Okay, and if started moving above that particular zone, we will see it will go further upside, and yes, we can see it will go towards a level of $88.38, and from there a probability of going towards a level of around $91.92 is there. Okay, so keep it in mind that as soon as started sustaining above $88, chances of touching a level of $90 we can see, and from there a level of $91.92. Once the price started sustaining over that level, we can see it will cross a level of around $93.11, and a probability of crossing a level of around 94.31 is there. Okay, and once started sustaining above, see, keep that in mind that if started sustaining over $85, a clear pattern is forming, so chances are very high that it will sustain, and yes, a probability of going towards a level of 94 is there. Okay, and if started sustaining over 94, it will cross that level, and a probability of going towards a level of 98 will be there, and then further higher. Okay, if the price started moving above a level of 90, I'll explain you where it can go, and I'll make another video. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.